stop playing with him.
Jay Da Vinci and his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
So this is what the hair is looking like. It's still wet. I do have mousse in it. I normally would go in with like a curly type of product. I decided I kind of wanted the wet hair look today, and let's see how it dries. So I'll come back when it fully dried, but this is what the hair is looking like. It actually looks super cute. This hair is from African Mall. It was supposed to be the Jerry curl. Personally, to me, when the way you guys saw it, it was in this natural state after I washed it. I did bleach the knots. The knots took so well to the bleaching, so I was actually quite surprised at that. I would order again from africanmall.com, but I guess since COVID and everything that's going on, the shipping really took forever to get to me. And yeah, and then on top of that, I really thought that they didn't send me the correct hair, because after washing it, it just didn't look like any of the videos that I had watched. Like, the hair didn't look like any of the videos that I watched, but it's super cute. It was Jerry curl, and to be honest, this wig to me looks more like a Jerry curl. This is a kinky curly Mongolian hair, which I will be doing next from Icy Hair. But my husband decided to choose this one first. Tomorrow's Father's Day. I was like, which hair do you want to see me in? And he chose this one. I'm digging the length. I believe I got it in a 14-inch because they were all out of 18 inches. That's for curly texture. I would normally go for an 18-inch because it's like the perfect length. But you guys, I'm not mad. I didn't do any real customization to this hair. I didn't pluck the hairline or anything like that. I try not to have to pluck hairlines. Like, if I can get away with not plucking the hairline, I'm happy, because in the future I'll eventually pluck it to make it look more real. But if I just go on and pluck it the first time, my wigs don't last as long as they could. But I did bleach the knots, as you guys can see. So this is what the wig looks like fully dry, and I have run my pick through the hair because personally I love a good afro-y, kinky, curly type of afro. Like, that's the kind of curls that I like. Really big, really bold. The more I play with the hair and the more I pick it out, the more I like the hair. The company advertised it as Jerry curl, so when I think of a Jerry curl, I don't know why I keep thinking of a kinky, curly Mongolian. I can't do that. I wasn't expecting this kind of curl. So the more I play with it, the more I like the hair. I'm gonna say it again, I like big, bold, afro, kinky, curly type of hair. Don't feel like this is 180 density. In the front it looks bold, but when I go to like the side, I feel like this section could have used some more hair, okay? Another thing that I dislike is how, do you see this side? This is short, this is long, and I didn't cut it. If you like the fact that it looks layered on one side, so be my guest. And this I didn't cut any baby hairs, and on this side is cut short, and this side is not. Other than that, the knots bleached beautifully. I love the way the lace looks. The hairline looks like it was pre-plucked. I didn't pluck it at all. And overall, it's a really bomb wig. Like, it's bomb. If you're looking for a nice little curly type of unit, this might be for you. Stay tuned for my next upload. That's a Mongolian kinky curly, for all the girls out there who like kinky curly hair. But for the most part, this is super cute. Yeah, with this wig I might lighten it and, you know, do some other stuff with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Be sure to check out African Mall if you were ever, you know, interested in their wigs. This is my first wig not sponsored from them, and I could say that it's a good wig. It's a really good wig. Minus the fact that I thought that these curls were going to be something else. It's a really good wig. I just think that they sent me the wrong wig, and in the box it didn't have like what I ordered, you know, like they normally have like an order slip of what you ordered. I feel like they sent me the wrong wig. So that's just it. I just feel like they sent me the wrong wig. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jay and Beyonce.